Hey there! Welcome to another insightful session where we dive into the art of expressing yourself effectively. Ever been stuck with writer's block or tongue-tied when you need to express yourself? You're not alone. It happens to the best of us, even the greats. Renowned authors and speakers have all faced moments where words just wouldn't come. Let me share a little secret. It's all about getting more inputs. The more you absorb, the more you can express. Think about Eminem. His legendary lyrics didn't come out of nowhere. He spent countless hours reading dictionaries and absorbing language, expanding his vocabulary. His output, the incredible lyrics we love, was fueled by his inputs. Now take Elon Musk. He couldn't revolutionize online security without knowing how to code first. He dove deep into programming, soaking up knowledge like a sponge. His inputs were the foundation of his groundbreaking outputs. Great teachers and speakers inspire and educate through a wealth of knowledge and preparation. They immerse themselves in their subjects, making them effective communicators. So, what's the takeaway? When you're struggling, don't stress about the output. Focus on gathering more inputs. Read more, listen more, learn more. The more you absorb, the more material you have to work with. The outputs will come naturally. Once you have enough inputs, expressing your thoughts will become much easier. This is Dr. Brian Lambert. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you next time.